Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change or set PHP version for website using Hostinger. So we are going to change it. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in website list. So this is our website WordPress. Now you see dashboard. So click on it. So we are going to change PHP version for this website. Now you see multiple option and then you see advanced, so click on it. In advanced, now you see PHP configuration, so click on it. So we are in PHP configuration. Now you see PHP version. Now select 8.1, so you can select any version according to requirement and then click on update. Change PHP version to 8.1, confirm. Now you see PHP version updated successfully. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.